iSpoofer was a popular GPS spoofing tool for iOS. In this video, we will explore its features, pros and cons, and alternatives. We will also analyze whether iSpoofer is safe to use. How to use iSpoofer. Delete your Pokémon GO. Navigate to the official website of iSpoofer and tap Download. Tap Install to allow the installation and go back to the home screen. You can't open Pokémon GO yet. Open Settings and tap General, VPN and Device Management. Select an enterprise app and tap Trust twice to confirm. Once completing the setup, run iSpoofer and use it with Pokémon GO. iSpoofer's development paused after legal battles with Niantic in 2018. Though unofficially revived in 2024, its patches lagged behind Pokémon GO updates, causing crashes, Error 12, GPS failures, or the inability to run the program, triggering shadow bans or permanent account termination. For spoofing without Niantic's radar, MagFone Location Changer uses a safer approach. MagFone supports iOS 12 to 18 and Android 6 to 15. Turn on the developer mode. Select Game Mode, Pokémon GO. Then select a location to teleport on the map. Finally, click the Start Modifying button to change the location.